Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. All praise is due to Allah and blessings and salutations and peace be upon His messenger, servant and Prophet Muhammad and upon his family members and companions and whoever follows his guidance until the day of resurrection. My dear brothers and sisters, today I'm going to talk about a very important topic, and that is for whom this Quran will be guidance. And there is a verse of the Holy Quran, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, يضل به كثيرا ويهدي به كثيرا. There is many people, they get guidance from this Holy Quran, and there is many people, they misguided by this Holy Quran. So it is very, very important to understand who will get guidance from this Holy Quran. Let's return to the Holy Quran in the beginning of the Surah Al-Baqarah. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم ألف لام ميم ذلك الكتاب لا ريب فيه هدى للمتقين الذين يؤمنون بالغيب ويقيمون الصلاة ومما رزقناهم ينفقون. ذلك الكتاب لا ريب فيه. This is the book about which there is no doubt. هدى للمتقين, a guidance for those who conscious of Allah. الذين يؤمنون بالغيب, who believe in unseen. That's our point. This Quran will be guidance for those people who will be conscious of Allah. And there is a question, who will be conscious of Allah? الذين يؤمنون بالغيب, those persons who believe in unseen reality. Who believes in unseen reality, for that person this Quran will be guidance. That person will be conscious of Allah. But what is unseen reality, unseen world? Unseen reality or unseen world, it doesn't mean that it is absent. No, it is definitely present. It is almost present, but we can't see it within our eyes. There is many things from unseen world. For example, our soul. Our soul is very, very present, and each and every person believes that there is soul. And for this reason we are alive. But very interesting matter is we can't see our soul. We can't touch it. We can't feel it. Even we can't feel it. And science also become failure to give definition for soul. Science based on cause or causes, but our soul has no any cause to get definition for soul, and science has no proof about soul. But every scientist believes that there is soul. So unseen reality, unseen world, doesn't mean that it is absent. It is not present. No. It is definitely present, but we can't see within our eyes. And there is two worlds. There is world, what we call reality, present world, where we are present right now, And there is unseen world, what we can't see within our eyes, but it is quite present. Just we can't see within our eyes, as well as we can't see our soul. It is one of the most important item from that world, unseen world. What is only one cause of our life. So this Quran will be guidance for that person who believe, who will believe in unseen reality, unseen world. That person will be conscious of God. And for that person, this Quran will be guidance. Alladina yu'minuna bil ghaibi. Those person who believe in unseen. This Quran will be guidance for those people. So my dear brothers and sisters, the person who look for cause in everything, in every matter, this Quran won't be guidance for that person, though he is scientist or anyone else. So at first there is only one uh, condition to get guidance from this Quran. First of all, you should believe in unseen reality, unseen world, what is definitely present into Allah. We can't see that reality within our eyes, but we have to believe that world, that reality is almost present. Thank you very much.